Hello guys, welcome back to Tongue Travel. Today we are gonna make easy homemade popcorn. So let's get to the video. Take a pan and heat about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and add the raw popcorn to it. Now let's add the salt in it and let's saute it for about a minute or two. As you can see, the popcorns are popping out. Cover the pan with the lid. And now your movie time popcorns do contain some benefits too. Yeah, it contains 100% fiber, which helps you in digestion. It also contains a good amount of antioxidants, and it also helps you to lose your weight. And now your easy homemade popcorns are ready to be served.